Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield yourself from potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This ensures a safe working environment. Always locate the negative battery terminal first, as this is the initial step for a secure disconnection process. Once you have your safety gear on, grab a 10mm wrench. Use it to carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Once loose, gently twist and pull the negative cable off the battery post. It is crucial to secure this cable away from any metal parts to prevent accidental contact. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are completely disconnected and safely positioned. With both cables safely disconnected, your next step is to address the battery hold-down mechanism. This is typically a clamp located at the base of the battery, designed to keep it securely in place. You will need a 13mm socket to loosen the bolt that secures this clamp. Once the bolt is sufficiently loosened, remove the entire hold-down clamp. This action fully frees the battery from its tray, preparing it for removal. Now that the battery is completely free, it is time to carefully lift it out. Remember, a typical truck battery can weigh around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. Gently pull the battery straight up and out of its compartment. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a clean contact and extends the life of your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.